Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2014 Harley Davidson Softail Breakout that I want to show you. A really nice bike, very low miles on it, under 1,000 miles. Got forward mount foot controls, 103 motor with a 6-speed transmission, upgraded with a nice set of Vance & Hines exhausts. It's also got the Screaming Eagle heavy breather intake on it. Beautiful condition. A lot of black powder coating. You can see these are the original tires. They've just barely had the little knobs worn down on them. Drag style handlebar. A little bit of a pull back to it. Handlebar mounted speedo and indicator lights up there. It's pretty sweet. Bike's in beautiful condition. Still a lot of rubber on the rear. Looks like there might be just a tiny little spot here on this front fender. Maybe a little rock may have flipped up on it. Kind of dusty out here today. I think that'll come off. Yeah. Just a tiny little scuff mark right there. Check the mileage on it. Fire it off for you. It's got 819 miles. Oh, this bike's got anti-lock brakes too. You see the little deal down there. Vance & Hines sound real good on it. We ran the bike through the shop and checked it out, so it's ready to go. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. You can take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.